Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, what is up? I am Maciej, I am your executive coach for SpigotCourse. Welcome to Fundamental Series. In this course, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to take you hand by hand, we'll be showing you shit tons of examples about developing your very first and advanced Spigot plugin. We will start with teaching you about Java. We will go through installing Java so you know exactly which version to install. Then I will go through and I will install Eclipse and configure it to the best possible option that I am aware of. And after, we will show you complete Java course, which means no coding skills required. You can have no idea what is Java and you don't have to even code anything else before. I'm going to personally show you how to make Java code, everything in Java, from basic stuff like classes and fields and methods to advanced stuff like ternary operators and conditions and whatever there is. After, we'll be dealing with Spigot. We'll be making our very first plugin in Maven, and we'll be dealing with commands, permissions, events, priorities, configuration, storing data, hooking with other plugins, and finally update checker, which means that you can actually make your plugin to update, to search for updates. After, we'll do some little projects. For example, the first one will be chat log, in which we will make complete writing log that will spy on what players write, and it will save it to a file. And in this purpose of this project is to teach you about serialization, about JSON, about writing chat messages to files and reading it from them. Next project will be conversation. In this, I'm going to teach you how to make the server communicate to you in a form of interactive dialogue. And next will be a kitty canoe, in which I will teach you everything about custom items, velocities, vectors, also realistic explosions, playing sounds, particles and everything. And at the end, we'll finish it up with explosive bow, which actually is implemented in my premium plugin Core Arena, which will do specific, realistic, gravitation-based explosions on impact. And at the end, we'll be just discussing loads of other things, like preventing rain on your server, like faking the player count, the maximum player count in the server list. We'll be also dealing with, instance soap. And just go to this page, www.SpigotCourse.org, and read it through and make your decision on your own. And I see you on the other side. Peace out.